Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get rid of Copilot in Windows 10 and completely disable it from running on your system. Step 1. Open the search menu on your Windows taskbar and type in Regedit. This will bring up the Registry Editor, which is a powerful tool used to manage system settings and configurations. Step 2. Right-click on the best result that says Registry Editor and select Run as Administrator. Running it as administrator gives you the necessary permissions to make system-level changes. Step 3. If you see a user account control prompt, simply select Yes. This confirms that you allow the Registry Editor to make changes to your system. Step 4. It's optional but highly recommended to create a backup of your registry. You can do this by selecting File, then Export. Give the file a name with the current date, set the export range to all, and save it somewhere easy to access. This ensures you can restore your settings if anything goes wrong. Step 5. Once in the Registry Editor, navigate to H-key current user. This key contains user-specific settings for your Windows account. Step 6. Double-click on the software folder under H-key current user to expand it. This folder stores all software-related configurations. Step 7. Now double-click on the Policies folder. Policies help control system behavior and restrictions for software and system features. Step 8. Double-click on the Microsoft folder inside Policies. This folder contains settings for all Microsoft products installed on your PC. Step 9. Double-click on the Windows folder. Here you'll find system-level settings specific to the Windows operating system. Step 10. Right-click on the Windows folder. Select New, then Key, and name it Windows Copilot. Make sure it's all one word without spaces. This key will store the setting to disable Copilot. Step 11. In the right panel, right-click in a blank space. Select New, then DWORD, 32-bit, value, and name it TurnOffWindowsCopilot. Each word should start with a capital letter, no spaces, and no hyphen. This value tells Windows to turn off Copilot. Step 12. Double-click on TurnOffWindowsCopilot and set the value data to 1. Leave the base as hexadecimal or decimal and click OK. Setting the value to 1 disables Copilot from running. Step 13. Close the Registry Editor and restart your computer. After restarting, Copilot will no longer be active on your Windows 10 system. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips and tutorials.